You're looking at one of the ocean's most unusual predators. The hairy frogfish is dreadfully slow.
Will you hurry up?
But equipped with unparalleled hunting tactics. It can lure prey and is armed with the fastest bites of all vertebrates, all while looking like a walking sea plant.
Wow, that's messed up.
How do they use body parts to lure prey? How can they eat prey twice their size? And how do they blend into their surroundings? Keep your eyes peeled as we seek out this master of disguise. The hairy frogfish can be found scattered around the Hawaiian Islands, Japan, Australia, and New Zealand. Commonly situated at depths of 40 meters, they have been spotted at 219 meters beneath the ocean surface. They prefer to hide out in rocky, sandy areas and coral reefs. Hairy frogfish are usually around 10 centimeters in length, but they can grow to be 25 centimeters. Equipped with 5 sets of fins, they glide or walk across the ocean floor, painfully slow.
What is taking them so long?
To walk, they use their pectoral and pelvic fins and rely on the water's buoyancy to bounce forward. They earned their frogfish name after being discovered in 1734. It was believed they were amphibious and could use their walking motion on land. However, not the case. Thankfully, they don't depend on their swimming abilities to catch prey. They are ambush predators that will sit patiently in one position until it's time to attack. A hairy frogfish will use its elysium and esca to persuade potential meals to come close. The elysium, which is the frontmost dorsal fin spine, acts as a fishing rod. 2 to 7 worm-like appendages form the esca at the top. They can miraculously regenerate if lost. Its esca can expand up to 35% when prey gets close. The frogfish will twitch its fake fishing pole and make those attached worms look like a dangling snack. So sneaky. It'll expand its jaws and suck the prey inside in just 6 milliseconds, proving why it holds the title for fastest bite out of all vertebrates. Water flows through the gills while its victim is swallowed. The esophagus has a specially adapted muscle that closes it to secure everything inside. Hairy frogfish feed on crustaceans and fish that live close to the ocean floor, such as gobies, lionfish, and flounder. Although they will generally consume anything that moves. They're even known to be cannibals. They can increase their mouth size up to 12 times. This goes along with an expandable stomach that allows them to swallow animals twice their size. They're ambitious eaters, to say the least. Their most obvious hunting attribute is their camouflage. Despite being called hairy, there are no actual hairs involved. They're covered with dermal spinules, which are small skin extensions. These easily allow them to blend in among corals, sponges, and seaweed. Frogfish can also change coloration to mimic their surroundings. These fish have all the tricks of the trade. No wonder they never evolved with the ability to swim.
Oh, that's a low blow.
If you want to learn more about unusual fish, you have to check out our episode on the sheep's head, which have human-like teeth. Say cheese! Or maybe don't, because it's kind of freaky. Luring prey and swallowing them whole is what hairy frogfish do. And that's what makes them crazy creatures.